Good morning, dear students. Today we will study lesson 9 of moral science. Name of the lesson is whatever happens, happens for good. यानी जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Once there was a king. He had a minister in his court. He had deep faith in God. He used to say, whatever happens, happens for good. God has done this for good. So, once there was a king. और उनके कोर्ट में उनका एक मिनिस्टर था और जिसे भगवान पे बहुत फेथ था, भरोसा था. And what was his dialogue? What he always used to say, that whatever happens, happens for good. So a new sword was presented to the king. He gifts a sword. Sword means talwar. To the king. The king brought out the sword from its case. He was moving his thumb on its edge to test its sharpness. As you can see in the picture, the king was moving his thumb on the sword. Suddenly his attention was diverted and his thumb was cut off and fell down. While testing the sharpness of the sword, what happened? King's thumb was cut off. Blood began to flow. The minister said, "This has happened for good. God has done this for good." Now what happened? Already the king was in pain, his thumb was cut, blood was flowing. At this, when the minister said that this has happened for good, the king became mad with anger. And he shouted at the minister, "Throw this ungrateful fellow into jail." On hearing the king's order, he said, "The king's order is for good." The poor minister was thrown into the jail. So the king got very angry. Mad with anger means गुस्से से पागल हो जाना. And what did he do? He shouted at the minister and said that put this minister into the jail. On hearing this also, minister ने फिर से यही कहा कि आप मुझे जेल में डाल रहे हैं, इसमें भी कुछ अच्छा ही छुपा होगा. After a week, the king went to a jungle for hunting. He was on his horse chasing a deer. The deer ran fast, so did the king's horse. Soon his soldiers were left behind and he reached the kingdom of tribals. The tribal men were singing and dancing. When they saw the king, they caught him. एक बार जंगल में हंटिंग करते हुए डियर का पीछा करते करते किंग का हॉर्स बहुत आगे निकल गया, सोल्जर्स पीछे रह गए और किंग जो है ट्राइबल्स यानी कि जो आदिवासी होते हैं उनके किंगडम में पहुंच गए और वो लोग वहाँ सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग कर रहे थे और उन्हें एक मैन चाहिए था जिसकी वो बलि चढ़ा सके. When they saw the king, they caught him. They needed one man for sacrifice. As was their custom, they washed the king, dressed him in new clothes, and adorned him with flowers. He was taken to the temple. A man bent the king's head before the statue of the god. He raised his sword to behead the king. So king को अच्छे से नहलाकर रेडी करके फूलों के माला से सजाकर वो लोग ले गए टेम्पल में और टेम्पल में ले जाके किंग का सर झुका दिया गॉड के स्टैचू के आगे, जैसे आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं. एंड द मैन वॉज रेडी विद हिज सोर्ड टू कट द हेड. Only the chief of the tribals saw that the king's one thumb was missing. The tribals did not sacrifice a man whose any part of the body was cut, so the king was set free. जैसे ही चीफ जो थे ट्राइबल पीपल के, उन्होंने देखा कि किंग का एक थंब मिसिंग है, so they decided that they will not sacrifice this man because if a man does not have his all body parts, they would not give him sacrifice. So the king was set free. उन्होंने king को आज़ाद कर दिया. The king returned to his palace. He went to prison and met his minister. जैसे किंग वापस लौटकर अपने पैलेस पहुँचे, उन्होंने सबसे पहले अपने मिनिस्टर को प्रिजन से जाकर मिला और उनसे कहा, सॉरी, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, यू हैव सेड राइटली that whatever happens, happens for good. If my thumb were not cut, they would have killed me. Now tell me how my putting in jail was good. The minister smiled and said, "If you had not thrown me into the jail, I would have accompanied you to the hunt and they would have beheaded me in your place." King ने कहा कि मेरा थंब कटा था, ये तो मुझे समझ आ गया, इससे क्या अच्छा हुआ, बट मैंने तुम्हें जेल में डाला, इससे क्या अच्छा हुआ. तो उन्होंने बताया मिनिस्टर ने कि अगर मुझे जेल में नहीं डाला होता आपने, आई वुड हैव अकम्पनीड यू मीन्स मैं आपके साथ होता हंटिंग पे, और वो लोग आपकी जगह मुझे बी हेडेड कर देते, यानी मेरा सर काट देते। द किंग एम्ब्रेस्ड हिज वाइज एंड फियरलेस मिनिस्टर हु हैड फर्म फेथ इन गॉड। किंग ने अपने फियरलेस और वाइज मिनिस्टर को गले लगा लिया, और ही ऑल्सो गेव हिम अ लॉट ऑफ गोल्ड एज अ रिवॉर्ड।